And we are starting with some breaking news coming in at this hour. A terror attack has now been reported in Bandipora in Jammu and Kashmir. We are also getting to know that both the policemen were martyred in the attack and are said to be in a critical condition. Let me also go across to Zeenat, who's also closely tracking these developments. Yes, Zeenat, over to you. Please share more.
News coming from the Bandipora of North Kashmir, where both the policemen who were earlier critically injured have succumbed to the injuries, and the confirmation is coming from the top boss of the Jammu Kashmir police, who has confirmed to Republic that both the policemen who were injured in this Gulshan Chowk attack have succumbed to the injuries. So both the policemen have been martyred in the terror attack that has taken place in Gulshan Chowk of Bandipora. We are seeing that the Pakistan trying best to disturb the situation on ground by trying to give instructions to the handlers here on ground, and they are carrying the attacks against the JKP, or for that matter we are also seeing the normal civilians being targeted. We have witnessed recently the target killings in the Kashmir Valley, but now after those terrorists who were behind the target killings were neutralized by the Jammu Kashmir police, and also we see that a lot of setback has come to the terror outfits in Jammu and Kashmir by neutralizing most of their commanders. And also if we talk about this year, more than 155 terrorists were neutralized by JKP along with Indian Army in anti-terror operations carried by them in the Kashmir Valley. But yes, again the attack has been carried by the terror outfits in the Bandipora of North Kashmir, where they fired upon the policemen who were doing their duty in Gulshan Chowk. They fired upon them from a very close range. They received the critical injuries, although they succumbed on way to the hospital.
And Zeenat, stay with us and help us understand the situation on the ground as well, because this is a terror attack that has been reported in Bandipora and Jammu and Kashmir. And what kind of operation that might be currently underway? Any more updates coming in from the forces?
See, as far as the updates in the Gulshan Chowk of Bandipora is concerned, we are seeing the Jammu Kashmir police along with Indian Army and CRPF have reached to the place, and also the coordinated search operations have started to nab those who carried this attack. We are seeing the multiple CASOs being launched in the North Kashmir in the adjoining areas of the Gulshan Chowk. This is the Bandipora of North Kashmir, some around 80 kilometers from the Srinagar, where the terror incident had taken place, in which the two policemen of the Jammu Kashmir police have received the critical injuries earlier, but they succumbed on way to the hospital. And also we are seeing the terror outfits frustration on ground, because they are trying to show their presence, and by carrying such kind of attacks, this is after a long time we are witnessing where the policemen have been targeted in North Kashmir. This is Bandipora of North Kashmir, where the terror incident had taken place a while back.
All right, so that is my colleague Zeenat reporting for us from the ground. And Zeenat, continue to stay with us and help us understand the situation as well, because these were gunshots that were heard in the Gulshan Chowk area of Bandipora. Any more information that you're also gathering as far as the operation further, because unfortunately 2 of our policemen have been martyred?
Gulshan Chowk of Bandipora, they were the Lashkar boys who carried the attack. They fired upon the policeman from a close range, although one of the policemen has received the neck injuries and the internal organs were damaged in this in the fire that had come from the terrorists towards these policemen, and they received the critical injuries. Although the policemen there were supposed to try the best to evacuate them as soon as possible, but the injuries were definitely grave, because of which they succumbed on way to the hospital. Although we are hearing from the sources that the coordinated search operation have been launched not only in the Gulshan Chowk but in the adjoining areas of this Bandipora of North Kashmir, where they're trying to best to nab those who carried the attacks. As for the unofficially we are getting, it is the Lashkar carried the attack.
All right, thank you so much, Zeenat, for getting us that update. We'll be closely tracking the developments further.